Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to download the Binance app on your Android device. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this guide will have you set up in no time. First, let's head over to the Google Play Store. Open up the Play Store app on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type in Binance. Make sure you select the official Binance app, which should be the first result you see. The developer should be listed as Binance Inc. Next, tap on the app and hit Install. The download will start, and it may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Now, if you already have a Binance account, simply log in with your credentials. If you're new to Binance, tap on Register and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You'll need to provide some basic information and set up two-factor authentication for added security. Speaking of security, Binance offers a separate app called Binance Authenticator. This app generates two-step verification codes, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. You can find it on the Google Play Store by searching for Binance Authenticator. Download and install it the same way you did with the main Binance app. And that's it. With the Binance app on your Android device, you're now ready to explore the powerful world of crypto trading. Whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on the market, Binance has got you covered. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.